In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable admin approval request on Microsoft Teams. This feature is essential for maintaining control over who joins your community, ensuring only authorized members gain access. It's invaluable for sensitive groups or public communities needing moderation. Let's walk through the simple step-by-step process to configure this critical security measure in your Teams environment. To begin, open your Microsoft Teams application and navigate to its main interface. On the far left-hand side of your screen, you'll see a vertical navigation pane. Locate the Communities icon or label and give it a clear click. This section serves as the central hub for all the different groups and communities you're involved with or manage. It's the primary gateway for organizing your various team spaces, whether for specific projects, departments, or general interest groups. Selecting Communities brings you to an overview where you can easily find the specific group you intend to modify. Once in the Communities section, you'll see a comprehensive list of your active communities. Identify the specific community for which you wish to enable admin approval. Hover your mouse over that community's name. You'll then observe a small circular icon featuring 3 horizontal dots appear, usually positioned to the right of the community name. This icon, universally known as an ellipsis, signifies more options or a contextual menu. Clicking these 3 dots will prompt a drop-down menu to appear, presenting a range of additional actions and settings pertinent to that specific community. With the drop-down menu now visible, you'll find various options for community interaction and management. Among these, locate and select Manage Community. This is a critical selection, as it grants access to the administrative dashboard for your chosen group. The Manage Community section is exclusively designed for community owners or individuals with elevated administrative privileges, allowing them to oversee and adjust a broad spectrum of the group's operational parameters. Choosing this option moves you into the core administrative controls for your collaborative space. Within the Manage Community interface, you'll typically be presented with several distinct tabs or sections, each dedicated to different facets of community administration. These might include sections for members, channels, and various settings. To proceed with enabling the approval request, you need to locate and click on the Settings tab. This particular tab is specifically designed to house the core configurations, preferences, and security policies for your community. It acts as the central control panel where you can fine-tune the overall behavior and accessibility rules, distinct from managing individual members or content. Finally, within the Settings section, carefully browse through the available options until you find the toggle switch or checkbox clearly labeled Require Approval to Join, or a similar phrase indicating membership control. Once located, simply click this toggle or check the box to activate the administrative approval process. By doing so, you are implementing a gatekeeping mechanism. From this point forward, anyone attempting to become a new member will first need to submit a request, which will then be held for review by a designated community administrator. This strengthens your community's security posture and ensures only vetted and approved individuals can gain access.